Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 10th for the subject of physical education, topic adolescence, which is covered in chapter 1, Human Growth and Development, starting on page number 22 of your textbook, titled Health, Physical Education and Sports, and is being submitted to you on 26th of April 2021. This voice is of Ms. Kusum. If all students are ready, then let us start with the topic adolescence. All of you please listen carefully as I will be asking a few questions in between the chapter. Introduction. Adolescence, 13 to 19 years. Adolescence is a stage of complex changes which begins after childhood and ends before adulthood. It is derived from Latin word adolescere, which means to grow up or to grow to maturity. In psychology, adolescence is treated as a stage between childhood and adulthood. In this stage, one has to adopt and adjust childhood behaviors to the adult standards that are recognized in one culture. We may refer adolescence not only to the biological growth within a cultural framework. Some may consider puberty as the evidence of reaching adolescent stage. We use puberty to denote the time when a child attains physical and sexual maturity. The 2 years period that precedes puberty is termed as puberence. It is the period when physiological changes lead to the development of secondary sex characteristics. Adolescence begins linked to puberty refers to the transitional period from childhood to adolescence and is different from culture to culture because of influence of society. Generally, we may divide the stages of adolescence as follows. Stages of adolescence. 3 main stages of adolescence: early adolescence 10 to 13 years, mid adolescence 14 to 15 years, late adolescence 16 to 18 years. During this stage, the growth of adolescence becomes spontaneous. The different characteristics of the stage are discussed below. First, physical characteristic. At this stage, the growth becomes fast. In adolescent period, many physical changes take place spontaneously. The secondary sexual characteristics develop. Many physical changes take place in both girls and boys from the beginning of this stage. The voice of girls becomes soft, sweet, and light. Moustache and birds start appearing on the face of boys. Generally, the height, weight, bones, muscle power, and other physical organs of boys and girls begin to mature. As adolescence does not have a complete knowledge about such physical changes, they become restless, impatient, worried, and upset naturally. Second, mental cognition characteristics. Physical growth and mental growth go hand in hand, but it is not applicable for all adolescents. It has been seen in case of some adolescents that they lag behind in mental growth in the early stage, though they achieve physical maturity much earlier. In fact, they achieve mental growth later on when they are able to go into the depth of things. Adolescents become interested in viewing and reading thrilling novels and stories, imaginative stories, cartoon and fictions. During adolescence, the ability to criticize and take decision, and curiosity for novel thoughts and ideals are dulled. They demand self-respect, dignity, and self-dependence. At this stage, they remain mentally absent in the classes and also at home. At this stage, they are neither children nor adults. Sometimes their behavior become aggressive. Emotional characteristics. The life of an adolescent is full of emotions. Under the influence of such emotions, she performs such uphill tasks which seems to be impossible in the beginning. Ross says the adolescent's lives an intentionally emotional life in which we can once more the rhythm of positive and negative phase of behavior in his constant alternation between intense excitement and deep depression. Sometimes the adolescents become so hyper that they feel themselves at the top of the world, and sometimes they find themselves in the state of deep disappointment. Usually, they are at an emotional variance. Sometimes they fly high in the world of daydreaming and imaginations, while are unable to have proper control over their emotions such as anger, love, greed, hate, jealous, etc. They cannot bear disrespect and disgrace. Sometimes they do not even like the suggestion or guidance by someone. Students, before going any further in this chapter, let me ask a few questions. You may kindly listen to the questions carefully and pause the video for 3 minutes. Write down the answers in your notebook. The questions and answer of this chapter or unit are enclosed with the assignment PDF for your reference and will not be recorded in the video lesson. Continuation of characteristics of adolescence. Fourth, social characteristics. The adolescents adopt a way which is selected by them, but the society creates obstacles in their way. In such a condition, the adolescents revolt against the traditions and customs of the society. During this stage, friends are important to them. They exchange their views, knowledge, and experiences with one another. They always long for leadership and specific recognition in the society. They try to prevent themselves better than others. They have to interest to participate in recreational activities, for example, picnic, dancing, music, trekking, sports, etc. By participating in such activities, they develop socially acceptable qualities. Motor characteristics. It tends to improve during this stage. Improvement is also seen in coordinative abilities, which result in better motor learning abilities. There is a rapid development of maximum strength and explosive strength in boys as compared to girls with continuous participation and regular exercise. Hope you all have understand the topic adolescence. All of you are required to read this chapter once again and write these questions and answers in your notebook. Thank you.